Hey everyone, today I am sharing an amazing tool that make your life way easier. It's called I Love PDF. I Love PDF is a free online platform where you can manage all your PDF needs. You can merge, split, compress, convert, edit, even sign PDFs all in just few clicks. It's super easy to use, no software download needed, and it's perfect for students, professionals or anyone who deals with documents. Plus, your files are safe, they are encrypted and automatically deleted from their servers after a couple of hours. Total peace of mind. I honestly love how fast and simple it is, so if you work with PDFs, definitely check out ilovepdf.com. Like this tip, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech hacks. See you.